Need to replace the induction fan on your Traeger Ironwood 885? Traeger calls it the draft inducer fan. It is the fan that keeps your fire breathing, and when it quits, the fire quits with it. About 30 minutes with a new fan and a screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. This fan pushes air into the firepot so the pellets can actually burn. No air, no fire, so a fan that has died shows up as a grill that will not stay lit, weak heat, or a fan disconnected message on the screen. That message is the controller telling you it cannot find this fan at all. Step 2. Switch the grill off at the back, pull the cord, and let it cool. This is an electrical part down near the firebox, so both dead and cold matter. Step 3. The fan sits behind a service panel, low on the grill near the firebox. Take the panel off and set its screws somewhere you will not lose them. Behind it, you will see the fan and its wiring. Step 4. There is the fan, a small motor with a bladed rotor, held to its housing by a few bolts with a wire running to a connector. Before anything comes apart, take a picture of how that wire runs and where the connector sits. Step 5. Unplug the fan at its connector, squeezing the latch, not pulling the wire. Then back out the bolts holding the fan to its housing and lift the old fan away. Keep those bolts together. Step 6. Set the new fan onto the housing the same way the old one sat, and start its bolts by hand before you tighten them. Plug the connector back in until it clicks, dress the wire the way your photo shows, and put the service panel back on. Step 7. Cord back in, switch on. If the screen still shows the fan disconnected message, clear it now. Menu, then Settings, then Clear Notifications. Until you clear it, the grill can sit in cool down and refuse to start. Now, let's make sure it's working. Start the grill and watch for 4 things. The fan spins up on startup, you can usually hear it. The firepot lights and the fire holds steady instead of dying back. The screen shows no fan disconnected message. And the grill comes up to temperature and stays there. Pass all of these, and this repair is finished. 2 quick things before you go. First, before you blame the fan, make sure it is not a blown fuse or a loose connector faking the fault the same way it can with the igniter. The manual has you check those first. And second, a fan disconnected message after a new fan almost always means the connector is not fully seated. Push it home and clear the error. Before you go, 2 ways to make this fan last. First, keep it and its air intake clear of ash and dust. A fan choked with buildup works harder and wears out faster. And second, keep a spare fuse on hand. A blown fuse can look exactly like a dead fan, and the fuse is a couple of dollars against a fan you did not need. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.